grateful for our moments this morning. Alma, I love you. My sister. Peace. Peace. Love. And always, always, Volkswagen. Volkswagen. Ooh, we need Volkswagen. Here we go. Volkswagen. Grease. Good morning, Mr. Ranger Dog. You want to go outside? What's up? You want to go outside? All right, let's go. Happy, a super duper happy Saturday. Hope all is well, swelled, and totally hip and groovy. Totally hip and groovy in your neck of the woods. On my way to work. Just fine Saturday morning. It's only a half day work for me, the way I understand it, but it was a full day. It's a full day. I'm just grateful to have work and overtime and all that groovy jazz. Of course, we stayed at the Flying J truck stop last night. Beautiful, beautiful night for sleeping. Dropped down to, I don't know, about 38 last night, 35, 38. A little bit of a wind chill factor. But Mr. Ranger Dog and I stayed cozy. We stayed cozy last night. We got up about 1:30 this morning. Started the generator. Fired up the heater. So we were all right. So we're on our way to work. On the way to work, gonna hang out, get our stuff done for Saturday, and then afterward, depending on the wind conditions and the weather, I'm gonna go hang out with my friend Misty and go fly some drones, you know, those little things that fly around in the air that take photographs and whatnot, those little funny contraptions, those little futuristic dealios. Alrighty folks, without further ado, let's get this most excellent, groovy, a drone, windy drone, maybe drone Saturday started. Shall we? You all comfy, Mr. Boo Boos? Got your bed all laid up. Yep, Daddy's gonna go into work. I'm glad to see you all excited today. I love you so much, Mr. Ranger. Yeah, I do. Oh. Making some rice for dinner tonight. A little cold outside. Super windy. But I'm gonna make some chicken and rice for dinner. All right. Just winding down for the evening. I had some really good chicken and rice for dinner. Of course, Mr. Ranger Dog, he has some good chicken and rice for dinner. I ended up working until 5 o'clock today, and so I didn't get to go out and hang out with my friend Misty and do the drones. I don't think we could have done that anyway today because it's been super duper windy, super windy. So we're gonna try again tomorrow. So that's the dealio. That's the daily dealio. I don't mind working a little late today. I didn't mind working at all days today. So there's a little extra cash in my pocket. So until I see you beautiful people in the morning for some kind coffee talk from right here in the old VW bus. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Be grateful for every single moment of the day, because you just never know when those moments will change. Peace, love, and always Volkswagen grease.